swear
do solemnly swear
that I will be faithful
that I will be faithful
and bear true allegiance
and bear true allegiance
to the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
to the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
and that I will preserve,
and that I will preserve,
protect, and defend the Constitution
and defend the Constitution
of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
So help me God.
So help me God.
God bless you. Oath of office. Oath of office. I, mention names, do solemnly swear
Do solemnly swear
that I will be
Let me first, on behalf of the government, congratulate God has favored you today. So it's not just being lucky to be among the ones that are chosen to be permanent secretary at this very critical time of our government, but living up to it, knowing that it is not just an appointment that after 2 or 3 months your faces will start changing, but a call to duty. We have a lot to do for our people, and your responsibilities as permanent secretary is so much. We have a lot of ministries that are not manned by adequate authorities for a while now, and that is it. The reason why we had to appoint these numbers, so that all the ministries will have a head, pending when we might also have your political head. You are the administrative heads. So we're doing this because we want to chart a proper course for this government. See this appointment as a call to duty. It is not a position that you earned politically. As a matter of fact, you were not picked based on political grounds. It was purely that a good number of you have what it takes. A good number of you have been manning some of these ministries, and we thought it wise that it would be proper. We'll give you that full responsibility to become heads, so that we can achieve the purpose of our government. We have a lot of things we have promised our people. We have assured them that our government is focused in terms of better welfare, security. We can't achieve those things while we sit here alone. It can only be done when there are capable lieutenants, and you are those lieutenants. So I want to urge you all to come out and give us your best.